Hello students, welcome to today's session. In this session, let us discuss about chapter number 9, tangents and secants to a circle, exercise 9.1. So as the first bit, we have fill in the blanks. Totally we have 6 fill in the blanks. These are very important off mark MCQs, multiple choice questions. Coming to first one, a tangent to a circle intersect it in dash point. A tangent to a circle intersect it in dash point. This is our circle. This is the tangent. A tangent to a circle intersect it in dash point. A tangent will intersect the circle at only one point. So the answer is what? 1. Coming to second one, a line intersecting a circle in 2 points is called dash. This is the line which is intersecting the circle in 2 points, and this line is called as secant to a circle. Secant to a circle. So answer question number 2, answer is secant to a circle. A number of tangents can be drawn to a circle parallel to the given tangent. A number of tangents can be drawn to a circle parallel to the given tangents. How many tangents can be drawn? Tangents can be drawn to a circle parallel to the given tangent. Parallel to the given tangents. Okay, we can draw infinite. Suppose you see, this is the given tangent. This is the parallel to the given tangents. Suppose this is the given tangent. Parallel to this, we can draw one more tangent. Suppose this is the tangent, we can draw one more tangent like this, right? We can draw infinitely many tangents. Question number 4, the common point of tangent to a circle and the circle is called dash. The point, they are asking the point which is common to a circle and the tangent is called what? That is called very important bit, which is called as point of contact. Point of contact. That is question number 4. Now coming to 5, we can draw dash tangents to a circle. We can draw dash tangent to a circle. We can draw infinitely many tangents to a circle. How many tangents we can draw to a circle? We can draw infinite number of tangents can be drawn to a given circle. A circle can have dash parallel tangents at the most. A circle can have dash parallel tangents at the most. Only we have 2 parallel tangents at the most. Okay, these all 6 MCQs are important MCQs only. Okay, now coming to question number 2. A tangent PQ at a point P of a circle of radius 5 cm meets a line through the center O at a point Q so that OQ equal to 13 cm. Find the length of PQ. A tangent PQ this is the tangent PQ at a point P to a circle with a center O whose radius is 5 cm. Also they said the center O at a point O, so that O and Q, the distance between O and Q is given 13 cm. Distance between O and Q is given 13 cm. They are asking to find the length of PQ. What is the length of PQ? Students, we know that OP is called radius. Radius is perpendicular to the tangent. Theorem, according to theorem 9.1, radius is perpendicular to the tangents. Right? Radius is perpendicular to tangent. I mean it makes an angle 90 degrees. Hence OPQ is a right angle triangle. What is OPQ? Which is a right angle triangle. The side opposite to right angle is called OQ. I mean OQ square equal to OP square plus PQ square. As OQ is given 13 square, OP is radius 5 plus PQ square. So 13 square 169, 5 square 25 plus PQ square. So 169 plus 25 you transpose minus 25 equal to PQ square. 169 minus 25, 144. Square you transpose, it will become root 144. So square root of 144 is 12. So what is the length of PQ, children? Length of PQ is 12 centimeter. Now coming to question number 3. Draw a circle and draw two lines parallel to the given line. This is the given line. Let us call as L, and draw two lines parallel to given line such that one is parallel to one is tangent and other one is secant to a circle. Okay, what is given? Given a circle and a line. We need to draw two lines to a given line such that one is tangent to a circle. This is the line M which is tangent to a circle because it is intersecting the circle at only one point, and this is the other line which is parallel to the given line L, and this is our secant because it is intersecting the circle at two distant points. Okay, that is our question number 3. Now coming to question number 4. Calculate length of the tangent from a point 15 cm away from the center of a circle of radius 9 cm. What they are asking? They are asking to find the length of the tangent. Calculate the length of the tangent from a circle of radius from a point 15 cm away from the center. From a point 15 cm away from the center whose radius is 9 cm. Same. Okay, radius is 9 cm. This is O, A, B. Distance between point is 15 cm away from the center. Same. Again they are asking to find what is the length of AB. What is the length of the AB they are asking, right? So here OB square is hypotenuse. OB square equal to OA square plus AB square. So 15 square equal to 9 square plus AB square. 15 square 225 plus 9 square means 81 equal to AB square. Again 144 equal to AB square. Square root of 144 implies AB. So AB is how much? Which is equal to 12 cm. So length of the tangent again 12 cm only. Okay children. Now coming to question number 5. Prove that the tangent to a circle at the end point of the diameter is parallel. The tangent to a circle at the end point of a diameter is parallel. Okay, let us draw. This is our circle. This is our diameter AB. This is one tangent. Let us call it as PQ, which is intersecting the circle at point A. And this is another tangent RS, which is intersecting the circle at point B. Prove that the tangent drawn from end point of the tangents drawn. Prove that tangents to a circle at the end points of a diameter are parallel. We need to prove that PQ is parallel to RS. Right? So children, as AB is diameter, O is the center to a circle, as OA is perpendicular to PQ, as well as OB is perpendicular to RS, because radius is perpendicular to the tangent. Okay, I mean which makes an angle 90 degrees here. Here also it makes an angle 90 degrees. I mean angle OPQ equal to angle OBS, each how many degrees? 90 degrees. Okay, we have a transversal concept. So these two lines are parallel lines and this is our transversal. And what about these two angles? They both are interior angles and they are on the same side of the transversal. We know that interior angles on the same side of the transversal are supplemental. I mean here interior angles are OAQ and OBS. They are the interior angles. They are on the same side of the transversal. And sum of those two angles is how many degrees? 180 degrees. interior angles on the same side of the transversal are supplementary, the two lines are parallel. Hence I can say that PQ is parallel to RS. Students are understanding? Because 90, 90, they are the interior angles, they are on the same side of the transversal AB, whose sum is 180 degrees. Hence I can say that line PQ is parallel to RS. I mean tangents to a circle at the end point of the diameter are parallel. Okay, so this is our exercise 9.1. So these two sums, question number 2 and question number 4, these two are important 2 mark question, and this question number 1 which may carries half mark. Okay, so this is only 5 questions we have, but this exercise carries nearly 2.5 mark children. Okay, thank you.